Hey guys, welcome to OnceHub Tutorials. My name is Shanu and I'm a part of OnceHub support team. In this video, I will show you how to customize the design of your chatbot. Customization is useful if you'd like your chatbot to match the look and feel of your website, so it blends in naturally with your branding. Once it's customized, you can either share the chatbot link directly with your customers or embed the link as a button in your website. Clicking the button will open the chatbot in a new tab. So let's go. Once you log into your OnceHub account, you will see your home screen. From here, click on Chatbots from the left panel. Once you click on it, you will see all the chatbots on your account. Now click on the chatbot you want to customize. Next, click on Page Designer from the top. To customize your chatbot design, you can use the right panel. Starting with the URL. You can customize your chatbot URL by clicking this option. You can change the chatbot URL after OnceHub.com as per your branding. For example, I used OnceHub support. Once you're done, you can click on Save. Next is the page background. You can either use a solid color or an image as per the branding. To set an image, you can click on Choose Image option. Next is the page background brightness. You can control its brightness using the slider. Next is the information panel, which is this one. You can set the logo by clicking on Choose Image and set the style to round or wide. You can see the changes in real time. Next is the heading, subheading, and the welcome message, which is below the logo. I kept heading as the OnceHub support, subheading as customer support representative, and a short welcome message. You can also add social media links with their icons. To add social media links, you can click on Add Social Links and include as per your need. Next is the information text color. You can change the heading, subheading, and information text by using this option. You can also control the opacity of the background by using the slider. Next is the interaction panel. You can change the theme color using this option, which is this one. It will change the color of the responses received from your customers. Next is the chatbot icon. To set your own, you can click on Choose Icon. Next is the chatbot name and page footer. For this, I have kept as OnceHub. You can set as per your branding. And the footer, which is here, you can set information about your company and some links as well. Once done, you can click on Save. Now to access your chatbot page, click Share Your Page button. Now here's the chatbot link. You can click here to access it in a new tab or insert this link in your website as a button. So when someone clicks on the button, the chatbot page can open in a new tab like this one. So yeah, that was it for this video and I'll see you in the next one.